I want to know, last week was insane.
Yeah.
On Wall Street. What exactly happened?
We lost control of the market. The market dropped 700 points in probably 4 minutes.
Yeah.
The machines took control. When I walked out, I didn't like the market. I said it's too expensive. And 4 minutes later, I said it's gotten very cheap because it had just plummeted like that.
But the rumor I heard is that it was a typo, that some guy typed in billion instead of million.
Right. There's only an N between those two, so it's possible that it was a fat finger. But I've got to tell you, Jimmy, the scariest thing was we don't know. I mean, honestly, they called down the heads of the exchanges saying no one knows why it happened. I mean, not very confidence-inspiring.
But how is that possible, right? I mean, you think like that can't be the way.
It's all run by machines. There's no human touch involved. And the machines just speak to each other. It is the Terminator, okay? It's not only the rise of... There's no John Connor. We need John Connor for the SEC.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no one in control whatsoever. I mean, it's a little frightening for the individual investor.
But what do you mean they talk to each other? I don't understand.
Well, the machines ping each other back and forth millions of times a second, you know, trying to find what is the best bid or what is the best offer. Meaning that in the old days, I would go to you and say, I want to buy Procter & Gamble. I've got 500 shares of Procter & Gamble to buy it at 58. Now it's just a machine to a machine trying to find that order, except for it's 50,000 or 500,000. And it overwhelmed the system. We lost control. No one had control of this market.
It just sounds crazy to me. I mean,
well, it's real money, and people lost a lot of money.
I mean, a lot. I mean, right. 1,000 points at one point it dropped.
It was incredibly scary. I mean, you're on there, I'm watching it, and you know that something's wrong because Procter & Gamble's at 62, and then it's at 39. I mean, this is a good company, Head & Shoulders, Crest. I mean, it's a real company.
Yeah.
And the money just disappeared. Later on, we tried to sort through the trades. We still have no idea who did it, what happened, why it happened, which, again, given the fact that there is a government, we should have answers. We have no answers at all.
That makes you feel great.
Right.
That is insane.
It was. I mean,
people were blaming Greece. They were saying, is it Greece? Or?
Well, why it was happening that we were seeing the scenes of people rioting. So almost everyone we talked to felt it was real. It's like, yes, it's down because there's rioting in Greece. Yeah. And I was saying, no, it's down. It's completely phony. Ignore it. Don't worry about it. But people aren't used to saying, ignore it, don't worry about it, because it's people's money. But it was too crazed. It was obviously a glitch.
Yeah.
They didn't stop it. You would have thought that some grown-up would stop it.
Yeah, but no one did.
No one. We had a great chance to be able to buy, but the market seemed very rigged, and it's a shame. It's a total casino. The people who were in the Senate were telling him Goldman Sachs was a casino. Goldman was fighting that. I wish that our stock market were as honest as every casino I go into.
Yeah.
They have regulations. They have guys looking at the croupiers. You get a fair hand. We do not have that in our stock market.
Wow. Do you have pumped-in oxygen?
No, and we have clocks.
Yeah, clocks. That's the lame part. All right, brother. Well, thanks again for coming on.